You've been going ahead and running ads on Facebook. However, it's been charging you a lot. Why? Because no one's actually clicking on your ad, and even if someone is, it's really less to the comparison with what you expected. Hi guys, my name is Faraz. Today we're going to be talking about how you can go ahead and increase your Facebook ad click-through rate. In case if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And in case if you've already done that, thank you so much for your love and support. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So when you go ahead and run ads on Facebook, you get an option to be charged by two types, either by impressions or pay per click. Most of the people, when they go ahead and run ads, they select pay per click. But in the end, yes, they don't get clicks. Why? Because they don't optimize the images. And it's a fact, and many people I've heard this from, that whenever you go ahead and run ads, you should select cost per impression. But you still want people coming to your website. How can that happen? So first thing, whenever you go ahead and running ad, select cost per impression and then optimize it for clicks. In order to do that, first step, always remember guys, do not use stock images. Whenever you go ahead and use stock images, that does not give a good image for your brand or for your business, because people already know that it's a stock image, it's not a real image, and they've perhaps seen that in some other ad or with some other company. Or what you can do is you can go ahead and select bright images which really catch the eye of the user. Whenever you are scrolling through your phone, whenever you see something bright, you tend to stop and look at it, right? Or what you could do is you can select an image which blends in easily with Facebook color combination. That's either blue or white or a combination of both of them. The second thing what you could do is go ahead and optimize your text. What do I mean by optimize your text? Is create an emotion, create a shock, create a surprise where people are forced, or there's a curiosity where people go ahead and click on your ad. For example, if you could go ahead and just add an ad where you could mention 9 tricks to go ahead and lose weight in 30 days. Number 8 will surprise you. The last one is rotating. Make sure you go ahead and keep on rotating your ads. Whenever you go ahead and run ads on Facebook, you get an option where Facebook shows you how many people it would be reaching and what would be the actual reach and impression. When you're running the ad, make sure you are rotating the image, because if you're going ahead and showing the ad over and over again to the same audience, people get to know and people tend to click, ignore, or either report, which gives a bad impression, and Facebook would stop showing your ad to such people. Either you can go ahead and just change your audience or keep your audience the same. The best part would be you can just go ahead and change the image or add a video. So when you go ahead and run ads on Facebook, select to be charged by impressions and optimize for clicks by the steps which I showed you. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. You have a lovely week ahead. You take care. Goodbye.